Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is PJ. As you know, in this channel we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash and step index. Guys, so if you're watching my channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next we drop our next video. And also you can join our Telegram group and also like our video and comment and share your experience so far using different strategy on this channel. So guys, today I'm going to show you a wonderful strategy that you can trade with crash 300 and crash and boom 300. So this strategy works a lot for crash 300 and boom 300. So this strategy you can use this to take up a spike, and you can also use it to take up a uptrend. As you can see now, currently now I'm using this strategy to take up a uptrend. And also if I'm to open a spike from this angle, you can will have take up this entry. So you know what you only need to confirm is this particular strategy. So guys, I'm going to show you the settings of this strategy at the end of the video. So let me show you exactly how this strategy works. If you want to catch up a spike, this is supposed to be your price reject zone, and for you to confirm this particular zone, you need to identify this Ichimoku that is moving on a 90 level here. So once your Ichimoku reach your 90 level, and you can confirm that particular level here, and your moving average here, which is the RSI here, is moving on the below the blue histograph of the Ichimoku, then this is the right time for you to enter the market. You can see that, you can see this exactly. So this is the right time for you to enter the market. And also if you want to use this to take up a uptrend, you need to wait for the Ichimoku to reach your 10 level, and you need to wait for the RSI to reach the opposite side of the Ichimoku. So with this, you can easily use this to take up a trade. Same thing happen exactly here. Let me show you more of the sample and how it works. You see another catching spike open here, and you see this particular level, and you can easily catch up your spike to this level. So this strategy is very wonderful, and it's one of the best strategy that I've been using, and it's working perfectly for me. As you can see now, I've already opened my trade for me to catch up to take up an uptrend for today. You see that? So exactly that is how it works. So let's go for boom 300 and see how it's working on boom 300. Guys, this is boom 300 on 5-minute time frames. It's very good. So at this moment now, we know that our Ichimoku have respected the 10 level, which is this, and we are going on a uptrend very soon now. So the market is going to respect this level for us, so you can enter your market at this moment now and begin to catch up your spike in the big time. So let me show you some more of the sample. You see at this level now, we have another level now respecting this 10 level, and we have our Ichimoku on the opposite side here. And before you see that, you see the market start rocket up to here. So on 5-minute time frames, you know how much money you are going to get with that. So guys, let me same thing also happen here. If you want to use this strategy to scrap your trade down, you need to wait for it to respect your 90 level, and you have to have your RSI at the opposite side, and you begin to take up you take down your trade. So guys, exactly this is how the strategy works. So now let me show you the settings of this strategy. So guys, let me show you the settings of this strategy. Let's go back to crash 300, where we still have our trade. Our trade now is still in is still in profit. So guys, let me show you the settings of this strategy. So we have the relative strength index, which is only the relative strength index. We have the period of 14 apply to close. We have start to be in black color, and we have our level here, which is 10, 90, 20 and 80. That's all. You just screenshot it and you have it. And the next one is Ichimoku. The first one is in 5. We have the next one in 2. We have the next one in 52, and we have the fill up here. And also if you check here, you have the up or to be in your blue, red and green. So you just screenshot it the way I do it here. Then with this, you have this same strategy on your phone. So thanks. So if you are watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next I drop my next video. And also you can like and comment on this video. We have our Telegram group, for you can also join for mentorship. You are going to join for what? For mentorship for beginners, most especially for beginners, and for more updates on boom and crash. Thanks.